Okay, last.
Good afternoon, all the participants. Welcome to the valedictory function of AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored faculty development program on robotic process automation tools and techniques from 4th to 8th January 2021. Here I am requesting all the participants to give your valuable feedback on this 5-day FDP. Dear participants, please share your feedback.
Okay, sir. Okay. Presentation, okay. Okay.
Dear participants, you can share your feedback on this program so that we can rectify anything if required. That would be helpful to us. Anyone?
Hello, sir. Sir,
Sir, please, sir. Sunil Naik, sir. Please, sir.
sir, sir. Myself is Sunil Nayak. I'm a research scholar from JNTU Hyderabad. Right.
Yes.
So, first of all, I should congratulate to the organizing team for this excellent FTP, and it is very much related to my research work. Why? Because nowadays everything is going on related to the artificial intelligence only. So whatever the sessions were gone, those are very excellent and well coordinated with your team. Especially, I should congratulate the coordinator, sir, Dr. P. Dilip Kumar Reddy, sir, for being organized very well and motivated us to. He was responded for everything, and he gave the each and every session timings for us. And whenever we are in some other works, so he is telling that there is a session, so that while we are checking the WhatsApp, so we are getting the information. So like that, he was organized very well. And thank you for AICTE for conducting such an wonderful FDPs, as well as SV colleges also. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sunil Naik, sir. Thanks for your feedback.
Thank you,
Anybody?
sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Dr. C. Shashikala, working as Associate Professor in SRIT. First of all, I appreciate the coordinator of this FDP for the smooth conduction of this program. Okay, this FDP greatly expanded my knowledge and understanding of RPA tools like UiPath, Blue Prism, and Automation Anywhere. And it's really wonderful concept I learned in this FDP, that is web scraping using RPA. That is excellent session. I learned so much from this session, and it also provided a way for me how I can teach these RPA tools to my students in future. And coming to sessions, all the sessions are well organized and all the speakers are excellent and interactive while delivering their lectures. And all the sessions are informative, understandable, and interactive. So once again, I congratulate the coordinator, Dr. P. Dilip Kumar Reddy Garu, and his team for conducting such a nice FDP on RPA. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, madam. Thanks for your valuable feedback, madam. Anybody else, if you want to share any specifically, if you want to mention anything, if you want to improve, so that also you can share, sir.
Okay, sir. I am Pramod Sridharan from Amrita School of Engineering in Kollam. So it was a very good session. I am basically a mechanical engineer, and I thought it was related to robotics. Means we make physical robots. So I joined this course thinking that it would be making physical robots. So on the first day, on attending the function, I came to know that it is virtual robots. So I thought, did I make a mistake? I'm in physical robots and mechanical engineer. I am attending this program on virtual bots. Am I totally out of place? But my fears were not needed. It was a very good session. I enjoyed it completely because it gave me confidence that I can attend the programs of computer science department also. Earlier, I was a bit apprehensive to attend programs of computer science department because the topics would be above the head. It will be like bouncers bowling by Brett Lee. But after this course, I got a very good confidence. I came to know that for robotic process automation, you need not know in-depth programming language, as was explained by Professor Sitaram Murthy through his Blue Prism sessions, and also Dr. Shobha Bindu's the session on artificial intelligence in the current perspective was very useful. It gives what is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and followed by Dr. Vijay Kumar's Robo Analyzer workshop was very useful. And also Dr. Asadi Srinival's Silus was very good. And Ms. Soumya Chaudhary's lecture was also very useful for applying RPA. Dr. Kumar Sambhav's mental emotional development workshop was very useful. It gave us a means to control our stresses. And Dr. Padmanabh Reddy's and Dr. Wenningston's lectures also were very useful. And not to say the least, the lecture by the head of the department, Dr. Krishna Prasad's lecture also was very useful. In short, I have got my horizons broadened, and now thanks for giving me the confidence that that mechanical engineers can also attend computer science programs and virtual bots also. We need not be so much afraid as I used to feel earlier. Thank you very much, all the organizers, for very fast response and caring and responding to the mails promptly. Thank you once again very much, sir, to all the organizers and the management.
Thank you, Pramod sir. Thanks for your detailed and specific feedback towards the program. Anybody else, sir? If you want to share, you can please share, sir.
Yeah, sir. Good morning, sir. I am Dr. Bharat from JNTU Anantapur.
Good morning, sir. Please welcome, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. I am related to Department of Electrical Engineering from JNTU College of Engineering Anantapur. So actually, I was very much motivated towards robotics. Why? Because it's one of the part in my research work also. So I did a PhD, which is one of the case studies regarding the robotics. And especially, I thankful to Sudhakar Reddy sir for organizing such a wonderful event. So as a Atal FDP program, and I congratulate Dilip for organizing a very wonderful event. Even the lectures which are delivered by the eminent people, so those are very good. And some of the young people, they delivered very good lectures, and you organized very well. So especially the coordinator response for all the questions what we have, and the sending of PPTs and sending of links at appropriate time, even some days. So he will give for he will post that link for every day evening. That means tomorrow's link he will post yesterday. That means yesterday evening only. And like that, he was very enthusiastic. And I congratulate Dilip as well as all the organizers which are involved in this FDP. So thank you for your wonderful FDP.
Thank you, Bharat sir. Anybody else who want to share, please share, sir. Okay, with this feedback, if anything is required, we will rectify, and it will be very useful for furtherly to conduct the events like this. And now I would like to request Dr. PESN Krishna Prasad Garu, convener of this FDP and head of the department CSC SP College of Engineering, uh, to give his overview on this FDP program. Sir, please share your overview on this program, sir. Krishna Prasad, sir.
Hello.
Sir, please share your overview on the FDP program, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon, Srinivasu.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Please share your valuable overview on this FDP program, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, my dear faculty members, friends, participants from various cities and industry academia. On behalf of the SP College of Engineering CSC department, I'm very thankful to one and all every person who have directly or indirectly supported this FDP for smooth functioning and making it as a grand success. And my sincere thanks to my principal sir and Sudhakar Reddy garu, and also my sincere thanks to the management, Vice Chairman Prakash sir, Chairman sir, and other management members who directly or indirectly supported this event. And also my sincere thanks to the AICT who supported us to conduct this event, especially on the new technology, robotic process automation tools and technologies. That is the new aspect of that one towards the industry perspective. Both faculty as well as student community learned to bring the skills towards the career of the student community to lead to better opportunities in the industry for the next decade. And also thank to my project program coordinator Dr. P. Dilip Kumar Reddy, Associate Professor Department of CSE, and the team members and committee members of the department as well as the FDP. So once again, thanks to one and all. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to be a part of this event.
Dr. P. Dilip Kumar Reddy garu, coordinator of this program and associate professor of Department of CSC, SP College of Engineering, Tirupati, to address this chat.
Thank you, Srinivas sir. I, Dr. P. Dilip Kumar Reddy, coordinator of the 1 week FDP on robotic process automation tools and techniques, is sponsored by AICT and ATEL, organized by CSC Department of SVCE, Tirupati. Like to convey my sincere thanks to all the wonderful participants who attended for their from different states, active participants and commitment. We will appreciate your involvement and thanking you for sparing the valuable time for all the 5 days. We are sure that by participating in this 5 days work, 5 days FDP, you have gained useful knowledge and also new innovative ideas. We would also consider valuable feedback from Sunil Naik, Sesikala and Pramod sir Shashikala Madam and Pramod Sir and Bharat Sir for future implement planning of such a FDPs. I once again thanks to all of you who made a huge success that make the FDP for me meaningful. And also my sincere thanks to AICT Atal FDP for sponsoring the amount. And also my sincere thanks to my principal sir, Dr. N. Sudhakar sir, and also my thanks to convener and head of the department of Dr. P.S.N. Krishnapathy Garu, and whole team of the department of Dr. R. Swati Madam and Srinivasa sir, co-coordinators of the FDP, and all committee members. I sincerely thanks to one and all for this FDP as a grand success. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dilip sir. So now I request Dr. R. Swati, co-coordinator of this program and associate professor of Department of CSE College of Engineering, to give vote of thanks. Swati ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's time for vote of thanks. I, Dr. R. Swati, Associate Professor, SVCE. On behalf of our college, it seems to be a great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this 1 week FDP sponsored by AICT Atal a very resounding success. We wholeheartedly thank our today's resource person, Dr. D. Ramurthy Garu, for giving excellent coverage on Object Studio in Blue Prism. Sir, we are all gained knowledge with your presentation and with your hands-on sessions. Thank you, sir. We are very much thankful to AICT for funding this prestigious FDP under Atal program. Thanks to AICT and Atal. We are very much thankful to our management for providing this opportunity. I would like to take this opportunity to record my heartfelt thanks for Dr. N. Sudhakar Reddy Garu, Principal of SVCE, for the amount of meticulous planning and guidance for smooth functioning of FDP. Thank you, sir. Our heartfelt thanks to our beloved HOD, Dr. P.S.N. Krishnaprasad Garu, for his guidance and moral support. Thank you, sir. I thank all the participants who have turned up in such a great number from various institutions. Thank you so much for your cooperation. I would like to give my vote of thanks to the coordinator of the event for making the FDP a grand success, Dr. P. Dilip Kumar Reddy Garu. We are also grateful to the entire sponsoring organization. I am happy to express a vote of thanks to various departments of HODs, committee members, faculty, and non-teaching staff for their continuous support in rolling out things. Once again, I thank all for your cordial cooperation. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir.
Dear all the participants, here are some few instructions for you. So within a 10 minutes, we will share a link for the assessment. So everyone, you should take the assessment. Unless you take the assessment, you may not get the certificate. So please attempt the assessment, and also please submit your feedback in the Atal website using your user ID. So apart from this, if you have any query regarding the assessment on the feedback, you can put your query in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, sir. And okay, okay, please switch on your video in order to take a photo. Requesting everyone, please unmute your video. And requesting everyone, please unmute your video so that we can take a photograph.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how long this link will be available, sir? That
sir, this link will be available for the after posting. It will be available for 1 hour, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then after it is going to be unavailable. So please, within this hour, you just take the assessment as well as submit your feedback in the Atal website. Okay, sir. Thank you all. We are signing off.